critics would argue that why do you have to do this? Why don't you leave it to the city to clean up the cities?
Well, I think it's a matter of education, don't you?
Yeah.
I think it's important to educate people. We don't throw trash away when we're walking on the street or when we're driving in our car. That we don't trash our neighborhood. We love our neighborhoods. We plant trees, we plant flowers, we keep it beautiful.
That's awesome.
So today, Imam Johari is also getting down on the streets and getting his hands dirty, all in the name of community service.
Bailey's beautification, along with this More cleanup effort, Darul Hijrah, the Islamic Center, you know, all of the parts of the community coming together.
Yeah, I can see it right now. Priscilla and you standing like this is awesome.
Oh yeah. I mean, we're talking about hundreds of people coming out from different parts of the community, working together, cleaning up together, building relationships. And so the big part of this is not just that our community is cleaner, but that it's more united around the issues and concerns of the neighborhood.
Well, God says this is part of our responsibility to be responsible. The most important thing is responsibility to God, and God tells us to be responsible to our families and our communities, that things are better for the next generation.
Man, that's what I call Muslims America.
Rather than just going to the mosque and telling people in the mosque, we are really bringing people from the Muslim community in from where they are. So students who are in the public school, they're getting their classmates to join them to go out. Some of them are Muslim, some of them are Christian, some of them whatever, but it's not coming just out of the masjid. It's Muslims coming from all over, joining with other people to make this happen. But when they come, turn around, they get happy because they say, Subhanallah.
Darul Hijrah Islamic Center.
Right, that we're among the leaders. It is the idea that we're not just talking, we're actually walking the walk.
We're doing it.
Yeah.
Johari feels that if the people see their Imam cleaning the streets, possibility is that everybody would want to join in. And it's a good exercise for the kids.
Then people say, what, it's a couple of hours on Saturday? We got the gloves, we've got the thing, we've got the picker, you get the team is organized. And it's
so watching this Imam clean the city, I jumped on board too. It's fun to clean your city.
Fantastic. Am I going to get a chance to get my hands dirty?
Yeah, man, come on and get a glove and a bag and a t-shirt. Sign him up. He probably lied.
I'm gonna clean up the city.
I don't know, I heard a lot of women saying
Yeah. This is my water, as you can see.
You have to have plenty of water to keep yourself hydrated because of the hot sun.
Have you already signed up?
Nope.
We will take a team of one. Great, have fun. Okay,
Thank you so much.
So you're from Voice of America, huh? Saw you wandering around with that thing, but I didn't know what it was for. I'm actually from the State Department, but here I'm with my Rotary Club, and which is up here, and then I'm doing the Culmore cleanup. So I'm all set.
It feels like you're giving something back to the community, you know. I mean, you take so much from the community. Why not give something back to it too? कौन कहता है कि अमेरिका में गंदगी नहीं है? बेहस लोग आपको हर जगह मिलेंगे. Is the MSA playing a part in this cleanup?
I was trying to help clean up the land of God, as we say.
The critics say that Muslims are usually lazy about cleaning the environment.
You know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given this earth to us as a loan, and we're just using it just to give it back. It's not ours to litter and use it for whatever we want. So we have to basically keep it clean.
What would you like to say to those millions of police officers back where I come from where they say that, hey, we don't want to get our hands dirty. This is not our gig.
It's the community you live in, so if you take pride in your job, you should take pride in your community where you live. So get dirty.
It's everybody's business. It's everybody's business.
Allah. But really, I think that the Quran's injunction and warning is that one wife is best.